made it to Jumeirah Beach in Dubai. Nice sand. So the hotel in the back is a 5-star hotel, but the one in the back, that's like the most expensive hotel in the world. It's a 7-star hotel. I didn't know they had 7-star hotels, but hey, they do. I think he said the rooms started like $1,650 a night, US dollars. So I will never be staying there in my life. Nah, I might one day. If y'all, you know what I'm saying, run up these vids, I might show y'all the inside of that hotel. Probably not, but I'm on a tour right now, so it's just going around the whole city of Dubai, just exploring, living life, chilling, at peace, trying to stay out the way. Need to get some food as well. I had breakfast today at the hotel. That was pretty nice. Let me take off the shades so y'all can see my face. I hate when people be having sunglasses on the whole vlog. I want y'all to see me a little bit, and I went all black as well. Probably not the best choice, but hey, we running out of clothes because I didn't expect to be here this long. This Dubai trip was really just on a whim. I was in India and then it's like, hey, why not? I don't know how many times I'm gonna be in this part of the world. But yeah, bro, the architecture here is like, I don't know where they get the architects from. They be building all these buildings. And I'll be noticing because like I really do like architecture. I never studied it or nothing, but I definitely appreciate it. Nice looking buildings and structures. But they snapped when they did these buildings, boy, because I ain't never seen buildings that look like this. A lot of them are like shaped after different things. The 7-star is shaped after, like, I think he said it was like a ship sail something, but they're crazy, bro.
So in that time, the king of Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Zahid bin Sultan Al Nahyan, decided to become a one nation.
It's the Museum of the Future. I think it's really hard to get tickets though, so I will not be doing that, and they probably won't even let you film anyway, so I couldn't show y'all. I like their taxis here. They're tan with red and blue on top. Tesla, pretty smooth. Oh yeah, this fitted today, by the way, just black long sleeve, black pants from Japan, Margielas. The tour guide I came with, he was explaining a little bit about Dubai. Some of the stuff he was saying was very interesting. He was talking about all the incentives you get as a local here for marrying another local. He was basically saying, like, as a local, if you marry another local, you get like 140,000, I don't know if it was dollars, dirham, whatever he said. Then you get like a private luxury villa for your wedding. You get a luxury car. I was like, I had never heard any of that. But he was basically saying they don't want to mix with people from other countries, people that aren't locals. But he was saying, you know, you have a choice. If you do choose to marry somebody from another country, you'll lose all your stuff, but you can do it though. So it's really up to you. It's just the way he was saying some of the stuff, I was like, okay. But it is a very beautiful city for sure. Everything man-made. This city is the safest in the world. At least that's what the guy said. I fact checked it too. It looked like it was rated #1 on a couple different places. So, but yeah, bro, no crime. He said if you see a beggar, you just call the police and they'll take care of them, probably give them something to eat. Very interesting city, interesting country. This is my first time in the UAE, so. But yeah, the people are very, very kind, very welcoming. Like a lot of other places though, you know, you gotta negotiate prices and stuff like that. So you're probably gonna be in there going back and forth for a little bit, but that's really about it as far as like conflict, which is really nice. But yeah, everybody's welcoming. They always talk about regardless of what country or religion, you're still a guest, so they're gonna treat you good, so that's nice. You know, with all the oil money, obviously they said the oil's gonna run out one day. So that's why they put so much money into all the buildings, all the beautiful stuff, man-made. to keep the tourism going. Bro. Also, something must be going around here. Because even, honestly, even when I was in India, bro, everybody was coughing. And it's weird because I was like, damn, bro, like, is the United States the only place where people know how to cover their mouth when they cough? Because nobody in India was covering their mouth when they was coughing. And then I come here and like, people covering their mouth a little bit, but everybody's coughing. So I think something must be going around all over Asia. I don't know, Middle East, Asia. But yeah, and I talked to this lady. I'm really blown, bro. This lady made me take a picture of her. She was like, you can take a picture of me? I'm like, yeah, for sure. And then I take a picture of her over by the where the beach was. Give her a phone back. Oh, these are lovely. Thank you, Jace. Then after, she told me she just got out of the hospital because she was in crowds so much and she got some sickness. So I'm like, what? Shawty, you just gave me your phone. But I'm like, why would you tell me that right after I just held your handheld device? So if I get sick, I'm coming for her. Some shops and where they sell some gold and some other stuff, spices.
Just say the clock, correct?
All types of spices, oils, candy.
It's around 63 kg. 63 kg, 21 karat gold. And it's all pure gold. It is the world record. The biggest ring in the world.
Still in the gold area. So a lot of people coming up offering like Louis Vuitton handbags, kind of like they do in New York. And this one guy came up and he came up to me and was like, yo, I got watches if you need them, handbags. I was like, nah, I'm good. And like 5 minutes later, I seen him running from some dude who looked like some kind of authority. I don't know what that was about. But our tour guide kept going in on how there's no crime, there's none of that. I don't know what's going on. I don't know who to believe, to be honest, but like nowhere has no crime, you feel me? But I don't know. I guess it's a reputation thing. And I'm not here to diminish that. But to say no crime, I think it's a bit of an exaggeration. And some people are just kind of standing around, waiting, not with any affiliation to the shops, just offering you stuff. Not like you're gonna get pickpocketed or nothing for real, but you just like, it's some shady characters for sure, like there is everywhere else. But it's just kind of, it feels different because everybody's like, oh yeah, nothing bad is here. But I don't know, man. Stopped to get some dumplings right before the Burj Khalifa. Hopefully it's hitting. Oh, this might be the most diverse place I've ever been. I'm just in a mall right now, and it's literally like people from every country all over the world. Like no two people look like they're from the same country here. This is the first time I've seen something like that. It's cool though. Hopefully this hit. Decent. Please, I guess. Number 4, please. Thank you. Just wanted one of the dates, please. Thank you, sir.
Open deck, and also this is best view. You can watch sunset here. Okay, sir. So sunset timing 5:15 to 5:30. Do not forget you can watch sunset. Okay, and also your tickets, sir. One alcoholic drink is complimentary. So take your time, enjoy.
Top floor in the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. They got more levels to check out though. Don't mind if I do. Hello.
As fireworks and dancing fountains celebrated the arrival of the most outstanding.
Y'all know what time it is, don't you? Random stuff.
To become one of the largest real estate companies in the world.
Macarons.
Making of Burj Khalifa, which is at the heart of Emir's flagship Babyfacejase downtown Dubai, was an epic journey.
Burj Khalifa mukbang. So I think once you're up here, you can pretty much just chill until you're ready to go. But the deck below, the floor below, there's the observatory deck where everybody be watching the sunset at. Everybody's still up here coughing. How did I get here?
¿Ya nos bajamos?
148. Wow. They got music playing. It's like a club in here.